As the countdown to the April 12 TTAADC election begins, Suraj Debbarma, the Tipra Motha Party candidate for the 18th Takarjala-Jampuijala constituency, intensified his outreach with a strategic door-to-door campaign at Sankumabari Ward No. 2 on Sunday.
Raja kami wo kakha, thamchani boyar shikha.
Phaidi ta khuksong, phaidi bu khuksong, raja no lam song nani.
Phaidi ta khuksong, phaidi bu khuksong, raja no lam song nani.
Raja kami wo kakha, thamchani boyar shikha.
Raja kami wo kakha, thamchani boyar shikha.
Phaidi ta khuksong, phaidi bu khuksong, raja no lam song nani.
Phaidi ta khuksong, phaidi bu khuksong, raja no lam song nani.
Raja kami wo kakha.
Accompanied by a wave of enthusiastic party supporters, Suraj Debbarma expressed high confidence, noting that the response from the electorate has been overwhelmingly positive. During his iterations, Debbarma framed the upcoming election as a definitive choice for the indigenous community. He urged voters to exercise their franchise with caution and foresight. Voters must decide whether to support a party that has consistently fought for the safety and constitutional rights of the TTAADC area, or those who seek to illegally encroach upon our ancestral lands, Suraj Debbarma stated.
By Chini joto media song tini sung Sankumabari BC ani BC ni klayo duinong wato sung tini dur to dur tang hin ba boro ni boro bano hino nogan ani boro kang tang phaimani boro phaji ni ang lamsong bagai tinang bor jaga sung tabuk Sankumabari ni duinong wat and sung tinoro second day of door to door campaign yino nukhana and a positive belene kaham and jotono thanchano logirane bai jotono baskango agogjak sini bubagrano joton logirenai abo poito tongo haisi tangdi mo kuno ekta political ni mo sudu political sim nasigi mo tagu tongli lukurok mo kaisino tagu tongi tongo sini hate dofa jatina sembahake baskanga agotlang thanani abono kaisa sentiment thinking te wansumani bisingte singti no tong oro tabu edisio sing saimano kahamke no tabu oje election campaign kaiskanai cholibo kaisa hanke dokol khainai bodol tai kaisa hangangke singangke election rok khaina bodol abon bagai ang joto lukurona angamon kok kesana muchungu nungni edisino rok khainani bagai nungse prostut tongdi buni dofani borle sababik abon dokol khainani bani chesta khainai kintu nungse a dokol khaijak tenibo nungse dokol khaijangnai jan na khaijagya nungse bongno logiribai nung bom haike nung mindset nung wansune abon nungse tipra sangai nungse wansuna de haisi so khakhayo baskango tipra sarok taisa haino hai baskani chongbari 12 tariko andro somari bodubai bobagrano kaplai khai tiprasana kaplai khai tiprasana haine taisa TTAADC government form khainai abo no doubt abo ungnai abo te ke banargai manja
tabuk sungora door to door khaimani bisingo Sankuma bisi khobjak mani o jaga o busuk person budrok manai kaplai ungna hone wansa
I hope or 99.9% vote manai because omani BC plus o jaga o oroni je response mani belaino positive haisi kaisa pun negative kri and angkha khayo Takarjala Sankuma BC kare beog jaga no wansana kan kai siri Takarjala actually ang opposition hinus nugi haisi abun bagi no doubts vote percentage bo kaham nungnai and highest margin record to bubagrana give nai Takarjala-Jampuijala ni borrok abo आज Suraj Debbarma budi abo thancha tiprasa dofana hamjagai TTAADC na narana bagase tiprasa wansui bodu nai
Phaidi motha shalai nani.
Phaidi ta khuksong, phaidi thamcha sung umlai nani.
Phaidi bu khuksong, phaidi kereng satong lai nani.
Raja kami wo kakha, thamchani boyar shikha.
Raja kami wo kakha, thamchani boyar shikha.
Phaidi ta khuksong, phaidi bu khuksong, raja no lam song nani.
Phaidi ta khuksong, phaidi bu khuksong, raja no lam song nani.
Raja kami wo kakha.
Jorale tongshani khasiya kani onare mangala bangshani yakli sheyake mangala chini hanu
Pure Report, Chini Khorang.